Work-life balance is a major concern for many of us as we try to juggle our professional and personal lives in an ever-changing world. This can be a challenging task, but it doesn't have to be. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can achieve a balance between work and personal life. So, I'm going to be sharing with you 9 tips on how to improve your overall well-being. The last one is for you. I really want to hear what works best for you, so let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. Tip number 1, make time for yourself. In order to reach a harmonious work-life balance, it is essential to prioritize quality time for yourself. Whether it's enjoying a luxurious soak in the tub, getting lost in a good book, or taking a stroll around the block, dedicating a few minutes each day to nurturing yourself can make a huge difference in your attitude towards work. Not only is it a great way to relax and de-stress, but it can also improve your overall health and well-being. So make it a point to carve out time for yourself and reap the benefits of a balanced lifestyle. Tip number 2, set boundaries. Another important tip for achieving a work-life balance is to set boundaries between work and personal life. This means making sure to set aside specific times for work and specific times for leisure activities. For example, if you work from home, make sure to establish a specific workspace and set a specific schedule for your work hours. This will help to separate work from leisure activities and will make it easier to achieve a healthy balance between the two. Tip number 3, prioritize. It can be difficult to manage both work and personal life when you have a lot of things to do, so it's important to prioritize. This means taking the time to evaluate what tasks are most important and should be tackled first. This will help you to manage your time more efficiently, and it will also help to reduce stress and make it easier to achieve a balance between work and personal life. Also, make sure to give yourself a break every once in a while. Taking breaks from work and leisure activities can help to clear your mind and give you a fresh perspective. Tip number 4, exercise. Achieving a work-life balance can be difficult, but adding a few minutes of exercise into your daily routine could be the perfect solution. Not only will it provide numerous physical benefits, it can also help to clear your mind and provide you with a fresh perspective. Exercise doesn't have to be a difficult task. Even just a few minutes of activity each day can make a world of difference in your well-being and your ability to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Tip number 5, make connections. Achieving a work-life balance isn't only about creating connections, it's about forming meaningful relationships with like-minded people. By doing so, you can not only reduce stress, but also gain a new outlook on life. Additionally, it can help to gain insights into your ambitions and how to make them a reality. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for more than just your physical well-being. It can also help to reduce stress, boost your mental health, and give you the energy to tackle any work tasks that come your way. Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night and try to stick to a regular sleep schedule for the best results. Tip number 7, eat healthy. Eating nutritious foods is an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle. With so much conflicting information out there, it can be hard to know where to start. However, the basics remain the same. Focus on eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and limit your intake of processed and sugary foods. Furthermore, try to incorporate healthy snacks such as nuts and seeds throughout the day and make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Tip number 8, take vacations. Explore new places, try different activities, and reconnect with yourself, friends, and family. Take a break from your daily routine and visit a place you've never been before. It could be a new country, a different city, or even a nearby beach. Taking a break from the hustle and bustle of everyday life can be a great way to restore balance and find your inner peace. We often forget to take a break from our hectic lives, and it's important that we take the time to make sure we're taking care of ourselves. Tip number 9, ask for help. The final tip for achieving a balance between work and personal life is to ask for help. Asking for help when you need it can help to reduce stress and can provide you with the support and resources you need to work on your tasks. So don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it, and don't be afraid to say no when you need it too. I hope these 9 tips have helped you to understand the importance of work-life balance and how to achieve it to improve overall well-being. Don't forget to prioritize your personal life just as much as your professional life. If you found this video useful, please show your support by subscribing to our channel, turning on notifications, and hitting the like button. Until next time, take care and stay balanced.